Hello my dear lovely students, welcome all of you to English class. Today we will discuss about phrasal verbs. Phrasal verbs. Okay, so let's start. The word phrasal refers to consisting of a phrase or phrases. Refers to consisting of a phase or phases. A phrase made of a full verb. A phrase made of a full verb is called a phrasal verb. Clear? Got it? Okay. A phrasal verb is a verb. Phrasal verb is a verb followed by a preposition or an adverb. The combination in most of the cases creates a meaning different from the original verb alone. The preposition or adverb that follows the verb is sometimes called a particle. For example, call on. Call on. Call is a verb. On is a preposition particle. On is a preposition particle. You see another example. Run down. Run down. Run is a verb. Down is the adverb particle. Then change in the meaning of the verb and particles. Change in the meaning of the verb and particles. In most of the phrasal verbs, the meaning of the verbs and particles used in changed. In other words, phrasal verbs have a completely different meaning. So we have to remember the meaning these phrasal verbs. For example, make out. Make out means to understand. For example, I cannot make out what he says. I cannot make out what he says. Here, make out means understand. Okay? Then, call on. Call on means visit. Call on means visit. I called on my uncle's house last Sunday. I called on my uncle's house last Sunday. Okay? Some phrasal verbs are very easy to understand. Some phrasal verbs are very easy to understand. For example, the earth moves round the sun. The earth moves round the sun. Clear? Got it? Good. You see, transitive or intransitive. Transitive or intransitive. Phrasal verbs may be transitive or intransitive. Look at the sentences. You must carry out my instruction to the letter. Mother looks after her child. The mother looks after her child. Here, in these sentences, the phrasal verbs carry out and looks after are transitive because they have objects such as my instruction and her child. Phrasal verb may be intransitive. Phrasal verb may be intransitive. Look at the sentences. The enemy gave in. The enemy gave in. The plane took off. The plane took off. Here in these sentences, the phrasal verb gave in and took off are intransitive because they have no object or because they cannot take objects. Okay. Then important structures of phrasal verbs. Important structures of phrasal verbs. Phrasal verbs are used in four main structures. First one is structure 1, verb plus particle, means VP. For example, he is very slow to catch on. He is very slow to catch on. Another example, the car has broken down. The car has broken down. Okay. Then structure 2, verb plus particle plus object, means V plus P plus O. For example, the boy takes after his father. The boy takes after his father. Then another example, I cannot make out what he says. I cannot make out what he says. Okay, got it? Then structure 3, verb plus object plus particle, means V plus O plus P. For example, she gave it back. She gave it back. Then another example, we are leaving them behind. We are leaving them behind. Then structure 4. Okay, last structure, verb plus adverb particles and preposition particles. For example, I cannot put up with your behavior. I cannot put up with your behavior. Then another example, he went back on his words. Some common phrasal verbs. You see, first, answer to. Answer to means be responsible to. For example, you will answer to me for any loss to my business. Then break out means start suddenly, war or disease or fire or peril. For example, cholera break out in the area. cholera break out in the area. Okay, then bring off means educate. Bring off means educate. For example, he was brought up by his grandfather. Then come out. Come out means publish. For example, the new edition of the novel has come out. Then carry on. Carry on means continue. For example, I shall carry on my father's business. Then give off. Give off means stop or to forsake or surrender. For example, he gave up smoking a year ago. He gave up smoking a year ago. Then last phrasal verb of this class, give away. Give away means distribute. Give away means distribute. For example, the chief guest gave away the prizes. The chief guest gave away the prizes. Okay, class is over. Thank you.